Right, now this is my project. What I'm going to do. I'm going to do this old TV unit in a Shabby Chic. I've got some chalk paint. I'm going to paint on this, and this is duck egg colour. Because I'm sick of varnishing it. Because obviously the varnish keep coming off all the time, so I thought I'll sand it down, then do a bit of a Shabby Chic. I'll just show you before I do it what it'll actually look like, and I'll show you after. So this is what it's like before, and yeah, let's get on to this, and let's get this project started. Right, now just thought to show you, I've sanded it on the sides, look, on the top, both sides, and the bottom here, and inside as well. And basically what I've done is I've got a damp rag, and basically wipe the wood first, then let it dry out, so you get all the dust off the wood. So when you're painting, you don't get doesn't look all messed up. And the reason why I sand it for is because the paint sticks better when it's sanded. Now I'm going to start painting now. Right, now I've actually painted it with the chalk paint. It's absolutely just quite nice actually. To get this look here, like this distressed look, what you do is you get some sandpaper, then you just basically sand the corners just lightly. These corners here, you sand them just lightly. It brings out, showing you the wood, basically. See the best appearance of the wood, and that's the distressed look. And yeah, like I say, I actually think it's quite nice actually. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. What you think about this, of me painting this in this colour. This is duck egg colour, and this was done with chalk paint, which you can buy from any DIY store. Yeah, yeah. Let me know what you think. Anyway, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. But apart from that, I'll see you next video. Bye.